I'm now adding a champagne shimmer drape to the back for my next setup. This drape is same size as the royal blue that you've probably seen in another video. It's 10 feet long by 20 feet wide. It's very lightweight, so a lot of my clients like it, and the fact that it shimmers and they only need to rent one is obviously a great experience for them. I'm removing the antique gold sequin panels that are in front because they don't look nice really against the shimmer, if you ask me. I'm looking for a bit more contrast. So as you see, I've chosen red. And these red sheer, they are 10 feet long as well. The whites are 12 feet long, so they are a little longer. I'm just making sure that we have the same number of panels left and right from the middle. And of course, adding and removing panels, you can definitely add more panels and make a more intricate backdrop for sure. I just didn't do that for this video, but there is that possibility. It's time to really space out those drapes and make sure that they are well spaced before you start tying them down or gathering them together. And this way you don't have to try to do that once they're tied, because it never works well that way. Please do keep in mind, I am not a decorator. I don't offer decorating services. I do not offer on-site setups. This is me playing in my own showroom with my own inventory and sharing with all of you. This is more or less to inspire DIYers and to inspire other decorators to actually share their work and their setups, because I know they can do a fabulous job. Now that it looks fairly even, I will start to make my pattern of tying the drapes right after I fix that up. And I will use the sheer end caps again with the elastic at one end and just popping it over the end to hide those silver poles. Getting my trusty balloon ribbons together again so that I could do the quick tying. Of course, decorators would not be using that. I'm using that because it's easy and it's available for me. Takes a little fidgeting here and there to make sure that the drapes hang symmetrical left to right and have a little bit of a poof. Some people prefer more of a poof, some people prefer less. So I guess it's all on personal preference. And making sure that the little ribbons that you're tying with, that they're about the same height so that it looks a little bit more unison. And here we go with my little end cap panels. And it's time to really fluff up and make sure that the drape is hanging straight to make it look good, or look as best as it possibly can. And this way it has a little bit more of a finished look to it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.